guys, I am Chrissy Pooh back with another video. So today, as you could tell by the title, we will be trying on, we will be trying the Shein wig. It is human hair. I'm just now opening the package, you guys. I'm seeing it for the first time just like you are. So this is how the package came. I actually ordered 2 wigs, but you'll have to see the second wig in another review. So definitely go ahead, subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss it. The other wig that I ordered was a 613 wig. So you'll have to, subscribe to my channel to see what color I plan on dyeing it. Because I do plan on dyeing it. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel and click the post notification button so that you'll know when I post it. I'm just pulling out everything. Alright, so this must be like a, this is a return process paper, just telling me everything that I would need to do if I wanted to return a wig. So I got a 13x4 lace front, 150% water wave bulb, 150% density, and it's 14 inches. Yeah, so it's 14 inches. This is the packaging that it came in, just a regular plastic bag. Ziploc. Let's see. Yeah, and it says everything on the label. It's 99J. Okay. That's pretty much burgundy. So it comes with this tag on there. And this tag just says, perfect hair for you, beauty and love and youth. Create beauty, share beauty. 100% human hair, at least 8 months with good care. 15 days return and refund. And then it gives me an email address. So it comes with this in there. Has a net around it. And then this to keep it shape. I'm going to rip off that tag I just read from. Maybe I shouldn't have ripped it like that. Alright, you guys. So this is how the lace looks. And like I said, it's a 13x4. Good. That's how the lace looks. It has 2 combs in the front. And then 1 comb in the back. And then the adjustable straps, of course, with a little piece of lace in the back as well. So let's talk about this hair. I will say it is very freaking soft. It is very soft. I mean, like, it's melting through my fingers. It is soft. It is very soft. And it really is pretty. If y'all can see that, like, this is really, really pretty. Like, it's going straight through. Like, it had a little tangle, but it's going straight through. So anyway, you guys, I'm not going to hold y'all too long. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for this install. If you want to see me install this wig, then just keep on watching. Yeah, so this is the final look. Um, I really feel like my lighting right now is not giving this wig justice. When I tell you I am in love with this wig, I'm in love with this wig. Like, I've had a water wave wig before, and it's it's so soft. Like, this wig is so soft. And it's like, I guess everybody, well, not everybody, but Shein is known for their clothing, but baby, they about to be known for their wigs too. Like, y'all got, I'm gonna leave the link down below, but this is so freaking soft. Straight out the box, it was soft, and it, like, I wet it. Inside my water bottle was water and conditioner. I started to put the same jam that I used on my edges, well, the gel. This I was going to put in the hair. Now this with water and conditioner will leave your hair looking like this. It'll be a little crispy like, but it'll leave it with the wet look. As long as you don't put your fingers through it. So that's the key to getting a wet look all day, is just to use like some type of gel along with water and conditioner, comb through it, and just do not run your hands through it after that. But anyway, like I did some baby hairs. Like I'm in love. Like I'm in love. Like it's just so freaking soft. It looks good up or down. I just chose to leave it down. Like, do y'all see this color? So I recently did a burgundy wig review on my channel, but other than that one, this would be like my next wig. Like, that burgundy wig was my first time rocking like a red type of color, and this is my second, and I don't think that it will be my last. But this wig, I'm not getting any shedding, you guys. Like, it's not shedding at all. The lace, I love the lace. I put my foundation on my lace, the same foundation I use for my face, and I don't know what to say. Like, it's 14 inches, it's true to length. I have no complaints. This is a burgundy wig. I'll leave the link down below. As far as shipping time, I want to say I got it in a week or so. I think it actually took long, I guess, for the processing part to happen from the time you order to them shipping it out. Like, that process was probably longer than it took to actually get to me. It processed, I want to say, about 3 to 4 days, and then they shipped it, and then I got it like a couple days later. But yeah, like, I'm in love with this. I am absolutely in love with it. Like I said, it's no shedding to it. I'm even pulling at it, and I'm not getting no strands. I'm really pulling at it. But anyway, you guys, like, that's really it. That's all I can say. Like I said, it was 150% density. I think that's the only option that they give you to choose. But this is full. Like, it's full all the way down to the ends, as you can see. So there's no reason for the density to be any higher. But she's soft. She's soft or whatever. I'm in love with this color. I actually thought that I ordered a different color, but I'm happy that it ended up being this color, because this is really, really cute. I used this Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. This will be my first time using it, so I'll update you guys on how well it holds up with my head. I'm one of the sweaty type of people, so it's supposed to be like waterproof or water resistant or whatever. I've heard really good things about it. It says Hold Me Down adhesive gives safe and secure hold for 2 to 3 weeks with proper application and maintenance. So we shall see about that. I've heard nothing but good things about this, but I'm very leery, because usually when I hear other good reviews, I don't know whether I perspire more than other people, but nothing usually holds my hair for that long, especially not 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 2 days, 2 or 3 days at the most, but that's usually it. But I actually had somebody who said that they had like a bad reaction to this, so I just want to let you guys know that I'm not having any type of reaction to it whatsoever. I'm not normally a sensitive skin type of person, so I think if you normally not a sensitive skin type of person, then this probably wouldn't bother you any. But I did hear about this having a negative reaction on somebody. But yeah, so I'll see how it holds up, and I will update you guys in the description box, because I plan on rocking this hair probably until sometime next week. Well, I'm gonna rock it for as long as it holds down, baby, because I don't feel like keep doing my hair. So this will be what I'm rocking for now or whatever. So I'll see how it holds up. I'll put it down in the description box, or I'll make another video of the actual review of it. I don't plan on wetting my hair. Like I said, I perspire a lot, so we'll just see what that does with that. But I'm probably not gonna try to wet my hair with it. If I actually do a actual review on it, then I will. But as of right now, with this wig on, I'm not planning on wetting it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.